Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your PS5 controller. So there's a couple different ways that we can do this. Now if we're using our PS5, press the PlayStation button, go over to Accessories, and then we can choose our controller, and then we can go to it, and we can go to Turn Off right here. Now after about 10 minutes, the controller should automatically just turn off. So if we go to Controller Settings, there should be an option somewhere in here where it's going to say the auto time off or something like that. We might actually have to back out to the main menu and then go ahead and just do that. So it should be under System, then go to Power Saving, go to the right, and here's the controller off time. It says 10 minutes. Otherwise, what you could do is just go to your controller, hold down the PlayStation button, and after about 10 seconds, the controller will automatically just turn off. So just continue to hold it down. You're going to see it's going to disconnect now. About 10 seconds. Boom, disconnected, and it'll say on the screen. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.